Hello everyone, I am Dr. C. Nagarani, Department of Computer Science, Based College of Arts and Science. Now I am going to discuss about the arrays concepts in the C programming. We all know that arrays are known as group of elements of the same types. It is going to share the contiguous memory locations. Let us consider the issue. If we want to store the 1000 students detail in a particular variable, we have to declare 1000 variables like student mark 0, student mark 1, student mark 2, student mark till 1000 we have to declare. But when we are using that array, we can use simply a single statement in the student mark of 1000. A single statement, within that we are going to store the 1000 values. This will result the 1000 contiguous memory locations for storing the students' marks. So array is known as a simplified version of the variable declarations. We can use index or subscript to identify each and every element in an array. The index are used to identify a unique element in an array. For example, student mark of 0 will refer to the first element of the array. So when we are changing the value of the index, we can able to access the any element from the arrays. What is the basic syntax for declaring the array is data type, array name of array size. Here the data type represents the type of the value which we are going to store in array. The array name represents the valid C identifier, and the array size represents the number of elements which we are going to store in that array. If the example is if we want to store the 30 characters, we have to declare char cname of 30. So here cname of 0 represents the first element and the cname of 29 represents the last element. So in C programming, always the array index starts from the 0 index. If you want to declare the integer and float other data type arrays, for example, int x num of 20 and y num of 50 declares the integer array, and floating point array is f price of 10, and character arrays char ch of 17. It is possible to initialize the values in an array while declaring. For example, type array name of size is equal to, within the curly braces we can include the list of values. So the string literals can also be included by using the character array. Char array name of size is equal to, within double quotes string literals can be included. Till that we discussed a one-dimensional array only. In C programming, it is possible to declare multi-dimensional arrays like two-dimensional and three-dimensional arrays. You consider the float x of 3 and 4. Here the first subscript represents the row value and the second subscript represents the column value. So it is possible to store the 12 values. It is a two-dimensional array. Same like that, we can declare the three-dimensional array also, like int test 2 of 3 and 4. Here 2 represents row and 3 represents the column value and 4 represents the number of values in the particular row. So till that we discussed the arrays in C programming, and now we are moving to the functions concept. So what is a function is? It is a group of statements to perform a specific task. It is a basic building block of the C program. All the statements are enclosed within the curly braces. So they are called subroutines or procedures in some other languages. What are the syntax for functions in C programming? Is function declaration, function definition, and the function calls. The syntax for declaring the function is return type, name of the function. Within the parenthesis, we have to give the parameter list. Example is int sum of int a comma int b. Here int represents the return type of the functions, and inside that int represents the parameters data type. So this is an example. And the function definition is the actual statements which we are going to execute inside the function is called function definition. The best example is a return type, function name of parameter list, and within the curly braces we have to include the statements. The function call is known as we are going to instruct the compiler to execute the function. So best example program, summation of two values 10 and 30, how it is going to be transferred to the function definition, and how the a plus b will be calculated, and how the control will be returned back to the calling portion of the functions, and conditions of return types and arguments. The functions can be classified into functions with no arguments and no return value, functions with no arguments and with return value, functions with argument and with return no value, and functions with arguments and with return value. So broad classifications of functions are library functions and user-defined functions. So the library functions examples are scanf, printf, and square root and cost functions, sign functions. All are known as float functions. So these are all comes under the library functions of the C program. And the user-defined function, the user can create their own functions for their purpose. Difference between the call by value and call by reference. The call by value, these two ways are generally differentiated by the type of the value passed to them as a parameters. The, the parameters passed to the functions are called actual parameters, whereas the parameters received by the function are called formal parameters. In call by value method, the values of actual parameters are copied to the function's formal parameters. There are two copies of the parameters stored in the different memory locations. One is the original copy and another one is the function copy. Any changes made inside the functions are not reflected in the actual parameters of the caller portions. Example is swap of A, B. And the call by reference. In call by reference method, the actual parameters is passed, the address of the actual parameter is passed to the function as a formal parameters. So both the actual and formal parameters refer to the same locations. Any changes made inside the functions are actually reflected in the actual parameters of the caller. Example, swap of ampersand A, ampersand B. So till that we discussed the functions concepts in the C program. Thank you.